Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. So we are in Hoi An and Hoi An is a charming city in central Vietnam and it's known for its well-preserved ancient town. This city has beautiful narrow winding streets lined with colorful buildings, traditional wooden houses and ancient temples. It's also famous for lantern-lit evenings, vibrant markets, and its rich cultural heritage. Hoi An is home to numerous tailor shops that offer custom-made clothing, from traditional Vietnamese garments to Western suits and dresses. The tailors are known to be very skilled and can get you a dress made within 24 to 48 hours. And the garments are supposed to be super affordable as well. So I decided, why not get my wedding gown stitched here? At least I'll have a story to tell. But
tailors here, and I asked them and I was like, can you do this? They said yes, you can come here, we can discuss it and we can do it. And now that I'm here and I'm showing them the same pattern, they're saying, oh, we can't do this, find a bigger tailor, find this, find that, find somebody who has the machines to do it. And I'm like, but you said you can do it. So yes, that is what it's been like. I tried to get, I feel so weird because we're already here and I don't feel like stitching anything else like the simple summer dresses that they have. I don't feel like doing anything, to be honest. It's just annoying.
simple summer dresses are also around 100 USD, and I think they're only affordable for people who are like coming from America or Europe. I think as Indians, we can get better clothes stitched in India for much, much cheaper.
Guys, we are back at our hotel. Feels so good being in the hotel because it's air conditioned. Outside is just really hot. But one nice thing was that the hotel has free bikes available, like you can just cycle and go to wherever you want to go to. I have finally I have finally got over. I've had my emotional breakdown. We are headed to this, we are here already, to a restaurant called Song Hua Lu. That's our lunch spot for today. We've ordered fried squid and we've ordered fried dumplings. These are pork and it's taste test time. Let's try the fried dumplings. This is the sauce. We're going to the coconut boat experience, and it should be about, the starting time is 4, it's currently 3:30, and it lasts for like about an hour, so it's 4 to 5. And yeah, let's see how that goes. I think a lot of tourists go there because the driver was just telling us a lot of people are going for coconut boats, and I was like, yeah. So grab cabs are very convenient when you are here in Vietnam. Even in Hanoi we were normally taking a cab to places. So you have an option, you can take a bike where like one person can obviously go. So if you're a solo traveler, bikes should be really good and cheap. But if you're like 2-3 people traveling, instead of taking individual bikes, taking a cab is cheaper. So that's why we're taking a car, and it's air conditioned, so this is much better than being in a bike.
Guys, this coconut boat activity was like the cutest thing we did. It's basically takes like 45 minutes and it only costs like 500 to 600 per person. You get there, they get you on this boat and they take you to this coconut village. And there's lots happening over there, which you will now see. And of course, we decided to do this because why not, right?
coconut boat tour, and it was fun. It was a lot of fun. It doesn't take up to an hour. Like they got us back in 45 minutes. It depends on if you want to get like do things like the crazy boat spinning thing, or you want to do karaoke, or if you want to do like if you want to take a photo. Those things take time.
Oh, I almost forgot I was supposed to tell you how my hair color got ruined. This is why. Look at the hotel and the pool in the hotel. I so couldn't resist going to the pool, and I just spent about 2 hours there or something like that, and I didn't realize that my hair was freshly bleached and colored, and that's when it all went wrong, guys.